Welcome to Poseidwntech. Today we have one of the best smart locks in market, and more specific, the SwitchBot Lock. A great product. But wait a minute, we got something even better. The new SwitchBot Lock Pro. Is this device actually a pro? Let's unbox it. First of all, we got the actual device, which now it's metal and much heavier than the previous. Let's remove this wrap. As we said, this device is aluminum now. We really liked also the previous, but the Pro version seems more premium. Has this wheel and this new button that will trigger lock or unlock. Let's see what else is included in the box. We got the contact sensor, some paper, this sticker to support the lock, a user manual, some additional papers and screws, an Allen key, a bigger Allen, this adhesive in order to clean up the surface, and in the second box we got these two mounting brackets. This one has these 3 screws. The other one has this 3M tape. And also we got these knob adapters, in case your lock has knob. For even better experience, you can combine your smart lock with this Keypad Touch. So let's unbox this as well. This is the actual keypad. And we got some additional accessories. This mounting bracket, some paper, and this NFC card, which you can use in order to lock or unlock your smart lock. A user manual, also we got some mounting screws, the batteries, rubber covers, and this pin to extract the batteries. In order to have cloud access, you can combine your device with this new hub mini, which now supports Matter. Let's open this as well. It seems similar to the previous version, but apart from the Matter support, now it is powered via USB Type-C. Perfect. Now it's time to install our smart lock. First, I will remove this cover in order to make the mounting easier. Now it's time to install the mounting bracket. tighten the 3 Allen screws. We will use the key since we don't have a knob. And let's add the actual smart lock. Perfect. Now it's time to add the small screws on the side in order to secure it in place. Very steady. As you can see, we can operate the door. We can lock and unlock. And final step is to activate the smart lock by removing this plastic pin and reinstall the batteries. It's ready. Now let's add it to the application. Similar procedure like with all SwitchBot devices. Our device appears here. Since it supports Bluetooth, we select it and we go through all the setups steps. Very easy and straightforward. After some seconds and some steps, it is ready. Similar to the lock, we will add the Keypad Touch. Again, some very straightforward instructions. We go through these steps. And after some seconds, our Keypad Touch is connected. And of course, we can connect our keypad to the lock. Ready. Once the installation and the configuration of the keypad is complete, it's time to go through some very useful settings. Here we have the option to add passcode, fingerprint and NFC card. In all cases we can add either permanent, temporary, one-time or emergency codes. Let's add a permanent. Perfect. Similar, we can add a temporary. It's similar to permanent but has a begin and end date, which we can configure here. And also we can add some emergency passcodes. When the emergency passcode is entered, the lock will be unlocked, but a message will be sent to the account that has been configured as an emergency contact. Here you can add more than one email addresses. And for the one-time password, it's again the same, but it's a password that can be executed only once, on a specific date, of course. Similar, we can add many fingerprints in order to unlock our device. And after some attempts, it is ready. and similar procedure for the NFC card. We can either add a permanent or a temporary NFC card. Now that the setup and the configuration has been completed, it's time to try our new smart lock. We can trigger lock or unlock through the application. Also, with this Smart Lock Pro, we can trigger the unlocking by pressing the button. If our lock is locked, then it will unlock it, and vice versa. And also don't forget that we can manually operate our door. Perfect. Manual and automatic control of our lock. Also, we can use our keypad in order to control our smart lock. We can unlock using our fingerprint. We can lock our smart lock using the keypad. Perfect. Now our door is locked. And of course we can unlock using the NFC card. Several ways to control our smart lock. It works very nice. In case we enter a wrong password, we are notified by the red LED. If we try to remove the keypad, we get an alarm. In the actual keypad, and it will stop only once we press the correct password, and also we are notified in our mobile application. Also, the smart lock works under Homekit with the matter support that the hubs provide. And since now the locks are available in the Homekit, you can take advantage of all the automation that the Homekit provides. Apart from lock and unlock the device, you can create several automation in Homekit. For example, when anyone arrives, it can unlock the device, or when everyone leaves at home, it can lock the device, or depending on time. This is a really nice product from SwitchBot. And combined with the Keypad Touch and the Hub Mini with the Matter support is a great tool for automation in your home. It feels really premium, both the Smart Lock Pro and the Keypad Touch. We also like the previous version, the Smart Lock from SwitchBot. But we think it's a big upgrade, the Lock Pro. More premium, more features, the button. We really like this product. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.